In this video, we introduce you to an easy chocolate Swiss roll cake recipe. You'll learn the art of crafting a light and fluffy chocolate sponge cake, perfectly complemented by a luscious chocolate cream filling. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 13 by 9-inch baking tray with parchment paper. In a large bowl, beat the eggs and castor sugar until pale, thick, and doubled in volume. Sift in the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture until fully combined. Pour the batter into the prepared baking tray and spread it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cake is firm to the touch. While the cake is baking, lay a sheet of parchment paper on a work surface and dust it with icing sugar. Once the cake is baked, turn it out onto the sugared parchment paper and carefully peel away the parchment paper from the bottom of the cake. Roll the cake up from the short end, using the parchment paper to help you, and leave it to cool completely. For the filling, melt the dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl set over a pan of simmering water. Once melted, set aside to cool slightly. In a separate bowl, whip the double cream until it forms soft peaks. Gently fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream until well combined. Carefully unroll the cooled cake and spread the chocolate filling evenly over the surface. Roll the cake back up, using the parchment paper to help you, and transfer it to a serving plate. Dust the chocolate Swiss roll cake with icing sugar before slicing and serving.